Top 5 things you should know about buying a new construction home here in Florida. Hello, Viv the Caribbean team, preferred real estate brokers selling the American dream in Central Florida. First thing is first, make sure you know your builder and know the quality work that they do. Your realtor can help you with that. Number 2, take your realtor with you on your first visit, or if not, mention you are working with a realtor. They do put aside money to pay your realtor, so you don't have to worry about doing that. So take your realtor with you, register him or her. Make sure, put in your contract that you want a home inspection if you want a home inspection, because you can't get it done at the last minute. It needs to be written in your contract. Keep in mind, if you use the builder's finances, they will pay some of your closing costs, but that's not always your best option. So make sure you check out your option with other lenders or the lender that you normally use as well. Don't overspend at the design center. Pick the necessary things that you want in your new home that you know it might be too costly if you don't get it done by the builder that's building your home. If it's something that you can get in the off-market, you might end up paying less on the off-market price, and it might be less expensive, so you can go that way. So you can check that out as well. Need more tips buying new construction? Please drop us a message below and see our link below. You may copy and paste it for more information on buying new construction here in Central Florida. Thank you. Be looking out for our next video. Comes out on Friday, 10 a.m. Viv the Caribbean team, selling the American dream, preferred real estate brokers. I look forward to assisting you.